Hi, today, how are you?
Fine.
Today I have an experiment, a good one, interesting one. Okay, we have done elephant toothpaste. You can watch our video. We have done a volcano with vinegar and baking soda. This is similar to that.
Okay.
Okay, we're gonna do like a volcano, but with different ingredients. Okay, I have prepared egg white, egg white.
White egg.
Okay, white vinegar, food coloring,
What is egg white?
water, and baking soda.
What is
Okay?
egg white?
Eh?
What is egg white?
Egg white,
And
white
ketchup.
of the egg.
Oh.
Cristiana, put the red here. Anna Maria, put the white here.
White egg.
Yellow.
The red food color.
Here?
Oh, here.
2 times?
Here, yellow.
Why my
Put,
sister
yeah.
says
Yellow.
2 times? 2 times?
Here, put, yeah.
A lot.
Okay.
Why my sister putting it right there? Egg white.
Very good. Yeah. Very good. Now we're gonna add water to the solution. Anna Maria, yellow, add water.
Where? This is a bad
Yeah.
idea. It's my turn.
Yeah.
Huh?
Cristiana, add water.
Egg water. Egg white, egg water. Right?
Very good. Yeah. Let's shake a little bit.
I want.
No, not with that.
What
Now
is
we're
that?
gonna add baking soda. Anna Maria,
And I'm the last.
add baking soda here. Very good. Yeah. Stop.
It's a lot.
Cristiana, yellow, add baking soda.
Baking
Yeah.
soda.
Here.
Baking powder. Chocolate syrup.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. For the last ingredient,
We're gonna mix it.
we're gonna add
Vinegar.
vinegar. What does vinegar and baking soda do? What
Chemical
do?
reaction.
Chemical reaction. What does it release? Carbon dioxide. Yeah. We got that. One with Chris, one with me.
Okay.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put all of
Put
it.
all of it inside. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, I spilled a little.
Wow! How cool is that?
It's funny.
It's funny, yeah, like a volcano elephant
It's
toothpaste,
pink.
yeah?
This is like pink.
Pink, yes, pink color.
What is that?
Pink color. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna say bye to the camera.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye. It's slowly.
Yeah, what?
Can I touch it?
Seriously? What?